Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on the contents of my October Boxycharm box. If you guys don't know, because I know a lot of you guys are new, I unbox this box on my channel every single month. It has been so far my favorite subscription box for makeup, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see these monthly unboxings. But if you want to see what I got in my October box and you want to see me try it on, then just keep on watching. So from what I can see, the theme of this month's box is alter ego, and we always get this little form in here that tells us everything that we got in the box and all of the values. And we have some really exciting products in the box this month, so I am so ready to try these on. The first product is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and it retails for $38. So this palette is giving me like Halloween vibes with the masquerade theme, so I'm gonna pop this open if I can. So here is the packaging. It looks really pretty. So here is the inside of the palette. We get 6 eyeshadows and 4 face products. It looks like 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter. I have to be honest, I kind of expected them to be a bit more metallic than they are, but these are the eyeshadows. So I am going to take a Sigma medium sweeper brush, and I'm going to pick up this green, olive green metallic shade, and I am going to try to do like a monochromatic look. And if this isn't as vibrant as I want it to be, I will go in with my ColourPop shadow that is similar and just slap it on over top. But I'm just going to pack this on the lid first. To be completely honest with you guys, Pure isn't one of my favorite brands when it comes to eyeshadows. They have some other products that I really enjoy, but I don't know if their eyeshadows are something that I would really reach for and pay for with my own money, you know? I just don't feel like they're on par with a lot of other brands. There's so much fallout all over my nose right now. I'm not trying to have an olive green tint to my face. So once that green is on the lid, I'm just going to go in with a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out the edges. That's actually not that bad. I would probably wear this on a regular basis, this green shade. I feel like these olive green, almost gold tinted shades are very flattering on pretty much everyone. I feel like people might just be a little bit afraid of the green color. I'm gonna go into this shade with a little packing brush, and I'm just gonna slap this right on my lower lash line just to hopefully make my eyes look a little bit bigger and more awake. And then taking this fluffy brush, I'm just gonna smoke that out a little bit with some more of that green. So I'm going to pick up the highlighter on a pencil brush, and I'm just going to tap this underneath the brow bone. And this actually looks like a really nice shade for a highlight. It's like a champagne gold, and I actually really love it as a brow bone highlight. And I just realized this because I'm blind, but the shadows have shade names. So the green that I put on is Mask Off, and the brown is Sneak Peek. The highlighter is Twilight, and I'm about to put on a little bit of the lighter blush shade called Hidden Secret. So I'm taking my F40, and that picked up a lot of blush, so I'm going to tap some of that off. And I'm going to apply this right over the apples of my cheeks. I do have a little bit of blush on as well. I just was not prepared for the face products, but I love me some blush, so I don't mind putting more on. I definitely feel like the face products are more of a hit than the eyeshadows, even though the ones I used are all right. They're just not as metallic as I would like them to be. Next up in the box is a mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $24. So I probably am going to skip out on false lashes today so that I can give you guys a look at how this applies. So I'm going to pop this open and take a look at the wand. Here is the wand on this mascara. It definitely looks like it's up my alley. I like a skinnier wand. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my top and bottom lashes. It actually is separating my lashes really nicely. You can definitely tell that it's more volumizing than lengthening. It definitely makes them thicker rather than longer. I don't know, you guys. I am so used to having false lashes that I feel like my eyes look so small and beady. I feel like with mascara, I need to give it a few more tries. I need to let it dry out a little bit. Formula of a mascara changes a bit after you open it and use it. So I can't really come to a final conclusion. It's definitely not the worst, but it's also not the best mascara that I've ever tried. So it's right there in the middle. I wouldn't mind throwing it in my bag for like an on-the-go touch-up mascara for now, but I will give it some more chances. Next up in the box, we have a few products that I can't try on my face, but we have a mineral hand cream from Ahava. It retails for $10. I'm gonna go ahead and just try it out. Why not? It smells really good. This is actually perfect timing because I don't have a hand cream for my purse and my hands are very, very dry lately going into winter. So I actually could use this. It does feel very moisturizing but not greasy. I hate feeling like my hands have something on them. It definitely has a little bit of a perfumey scent, so I'm gonna have to see if that reacts well with my skin. I do have sensitive skin. It doesn't always react well with heavily perfumed products. So far so good on the hand cream. I actually don't mind having things like this in the box because I would never find this on my own, and I really love trying out new skincare and lotion and just all of those products. So the next product I also cannot try on my face because it is a hair product and it is for damp hair. This is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This retails for $16. I'm assuming this is like the travel size version or size of this product, but Briogeo has been one of my favorite hair brands. It is a little more pricey. It's available in Sephora, but it has one of my favorite scents for a hair brand. It smells so good, and I, believe it or not, have really damaged hair because of heat styling, so I will use this whole thing up. I have had nothing but good experiences with Briogeo, and I've seen them in Boxycharm before, so I am very happy that this is in there. I could always use more hair care products. I know some people only want to see makeup, but I really like this and I will get my full use out of this. Alright, so the last product in the box is from Kat Von D. It is a everlasting liquid lipstick and mine is in the shade Bow and Arrow, which I believe is a fan favorite nude, so I'm excited for that. I don't know why, but I pictured this being more nude when I've seen it on other people, but I guess I am, you know, really pale right now, so maybe it's gonna look darker on me. I honestly could have sworn that this shade was like a pinky nude on other people. It is not a pinky nude on me. It is a brown. It's a cool tone brown, but I definitely don't mind it. It is right up my alley and I will use this shade as long as the formula ends up working for me. But as of right now, it does feel pretty comfortable on the lips. It will be interesting to see how long it lasts. If anybody got a different shade, you know I want to hear what you got. One of my favorite parts of doing these Boxycharm unboxings is hearing what you guys got in your box, because lately they have been doing different variations for people. So if you got anything different, I want to know what you got. Please let me know in the comments. Alright guys, so that was everything out of the October Boxycharm. I went ahead and added up the values of these products and they retail at $108. So you're getting a $108 value for $21 a month as usual. You usually get over $100. This is actually on the lower side of the values that I have been getting. I have been getting like 130, 140, sometimes like 160 and 180, but I am very excited for next month. I'm not gonna leave you guys with any spoilers, but let's just say that November's box is going to be so sparkly from what I've seen. So I will leave information down below if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm. Just a disclaimer, if you sign up through my link, I get $5. So I would really appreciate it, but of course you don't have to, but I will leave that information down below if you are interested. As always, please let me know what you got, if you got any different products or different shades. I don't like to watch other unboxings before I do my own because I don't want to really know what else is in there, because I like hearing from you guys what you got. But that is it for this month's unboxing. I just want to leave you guys with a thank you for how sweet you've been to me on my previous video. I feel like I have like an army of the most amazing, sweet people behind me, and I love you guys seriously more than anything. You mean a lot to me in my life, in my personal life. I feel like I'm like so close to so many of you, even though we don't know each other that well. But just know that I seriously appreciate you, and I hope that I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.